Welcome to Urban Garden Republic, where we bring the joy of gardening right into your urban space. Today, we're embarking on a sweet adventure, growing strawberries. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a curious beginner, our tips and tricks will help you cultivate a lush strawberry patch. Strawberries are not just delicious, they're also versatile. From the sun-loving June-bearing varieties to the ever-bearing types perfect for smaller spaces, there's a strawberry for every garden. In this video, we'll focus on varieties best suited for urban gardening. Urban gardens often have limited space and varying levels of sunlight exposure. Here are some strawberry varieties that are generally well suited for urban gardening. Day-neutral strawberries. Varieties: Albion, Seascape, San Andreas. Characteristics: these strawberries produce fruit throughout the growing season and are less sensitive to the length of day. They are ideal for containers or small garden spaces. Ever-bearing strawberries. Varieties: Ozark Beauty, Quinault, Fort Laramie. Characteristics: they typically have 2 harvests per year, in late spring and early fall. These are great for window boxes or hanging baskets, as they don't spread much and have a compact growth habit. June-bearing strawberries. Varieties: All-Star, Honeoya, Early Glow. Characteristics: these varieties produce a large crop over a few weeks in early summer. While they require more space due to their spreading habit, they can be suitable for larger urban gardens or community garden plots. Compact or dwarf varieties. Varieties: Tristan, Ruby Ann. Characteristics: these strawberries have a compact growth habit and often feature decorative flowers, making them ideal for small spaces like balconies or patios. When selecting a variety, also consider factors like local climate, available sunlight, and your personal preference for berry flavor and texture. Additionally, many urban gardeners prefer to grow strawberries in containers or vertical gardens to maximize space. This approach also helps to reduce issues with soil-borne diseases and pests. No matter which variety you choose, ensure your strawberries get ample sunlight, consistent watering, and proper soil conditions to thrive in an urban setting. The secret to juicy strawberries? The right environment. These berries thrive in sunny spots and well-drained, slightly acidic soil. Aiming for a soil pH between 5.5 and 6.8 will set your strawberry plants up for success. Let's get our hands dirty! Enrich your soil with organic matter before planting. Space your strawberries about 18 inches apart, and remember, the planting depth is crucial. Keep the crown of the plant above the soil. Water and nutrients are key to vibrant strawberries. Keep the soil moist, especially during bloom and fruiting. An organic fertilizer with a balanced NPK ratio of 10-10-10 will encourage lush growth and bountiful berries. The ratio, 10-10-10. The numbers in an NPK ratio represent the percentage of each nutrient in the fertilizer. In a 10-10-10 fertilizer, 10% of the product is nitrogen, 10% is phosphorus, and 10% is potassium. The remaining 70% typically consists of other nutrients and filler materials that help distribute the fertilizer evenly and improve soil structure. A balanced fertilizer like 10-10-10 has equal proportions of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. This type of fertilizer is often used when a general-purpose nutrient boost is needed, and no specific deficiency of any of the 3 main nutrients is evident. Pests can be a nuisance, but fear not. Combat aphids and spider mites with organic methods like neem oil. And remember, ladybugs are more than just cute. They're natural pest controllers. Regular maintenance is your path to a healthy harvest. Prune regularly, remove runners, and keep those weeds at bay. Protecting your berries from birds with netting can also make a huge difference. When your strawberries turn a deep, vibrant red, it's time to harvest. Gently twist the berries off the stem and enjoy the fruits of your labor. The more you pick, the more they produce. Spot discolored leaves or lackluster fruiting. It could signal nutrient deficiencies or pest issues. Keep a watchful eye and adjust your care routine to keep your plants thriving. And that's how you grow strawberries in an urban garden. We hope these tips inspire you to start your berry growing journey. Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening adventures with Urban Garden Republic. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, and see you next time at Urban Garden Republic.